Ever wondered what secrets your car might be hiding? I'm not talking about that half-eaten packet of crisps under the seat. I mean the clever tech that's built in to make your drive safer and smarter. Let's unlock 5 secret features you probably never knew existed in your car. First up, drowsiness detection. In some modern motors, your car can actually sense if you're getting tired at the wheel. It tracks your steering patterns, and sometimes even your eye movements. If it thinks you're nodding off, it'll ping you with a warning. Talk about a lifesaver. Number 2, BMW's brake drying system. If you're driving in the wet, certain BMWs will gently brush the brake pads against the discs every so often. This keeps them dry, so when you need to stop suddenly, you get full braking power. It's subtle, but it could make all the difference. Third is Honda's Magic Seats, and yes, they're as cool as they sound. You can flip these seats up like cinema chairs or fold them flat for a massive boot space. Some models even let you stretch out for a nap in the back. Perfect for those epic road trips or just a cheeky snooze. Number 4, Nissan's Easy Fill Tire Alert. Forget fiddling with pressure gauges. This clever system beeps at you when your tire's just right. Keep your tires spot on, save fuel, and drive safer. And finally, hidden storage spots. Loads of cars tuck away secret compartments under seats and in the center console. Great for stashing your valuables, snacks, or all the kit you don't want rolling about. So next time you get behind the wheel, take a closer look. You might just discover your car is a lot smarter than you thought.